Well, I walked into the room, passing out $100 bills and the kills and the thrills, like the horns on my Silverado grill. And I buy the bottles all around the crowd. Everybody's getting down in this town. Ain't never gonna be the same. So I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise, cause the girls, they are so pretty. Crowded up and down Broadway, my horse let me roll. Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody says, save a horse, ride a cowboy. But I don't give a dang about nothing, and I'll sing it and ring it while the girls are drinking. Long necks down, and I wouldn't say no Leroy. Over my Chevrolet, we go Escalade, we go Freak Parade. I'm on the John Wayne, that is down. When I saddle up my horse, I make my noise.
Nelson song I think of.
We get along.